Today in STEM, students explored shock absorption through Lego builds, investigating how different structures can reduce impact. Students planned, tested and improved their designs, developing problem solving, critical thinking, as well as cognitive flexibility. The hands-on nature of the activity encouraged experimentation and teamwork, with students actively refining their ideas.
Design.
What is the blueprint?
The blueprint is what it's going to look like. So you have to know what it's going to look like and show people before you build it. For example, who here lives in a house? You have a house?
Yeah.
Okay. Before your house was built, your parents, when they bought it, they would have had a blueprint of what the house was going to look like.
Oh.
So then they could tell the builder, oh, we want the kitchen to be here. We want the bedroom to be here. It's going to have 2 beds and 3 cupboards and 4 baths. You're going to do the same, but with your Lego project.
My home has a 20 shower.
Okay,
Oh.
but you got to design your Lego. So you got to design it. What are you going to make that's going to be
It's gonna
indestructible?
very big. It's very big like this.
Okay. You've got to design your Lego. What are you going to build? It has to be indestructible.
Robot.
Okay, you're going to make a robot. Okay, you've designed the robot.
I will do a house. I gotta build a cube.
Okay.
Okay,
A cube, okay.
So,
And how are you going to make it indestructible?
and this is this sponge.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sponge. It's 20 what sponge? Oh,
20 sponges?
yeah.